Experiential learning enhances the student experience here at Bowen by really bringing to life and bringing together everything that students have learned. It gives you a chance to use your judgment as a lawyer and put into practice the knowledge, skills, and values that you've been developing over the course of your time at Bowen. Students at Bowen who participate in our clinics and externship and practicum programs all report that they have very good experiences. I think what they particularly like is that they are actually in the role of a lawyer, doing the real work that lawyers do. The externship program and the practicum program, where we're placing students outside of the law school to work either in person with a judge or a government agency or a nonprofit, or in the case of the practicum, to work remotely, typically for judges or prosecutors. The benefit really is those real life experiences. At Bowen, our experiential learning opportunities really start in the first year. You'll start your first year curriculum with your legal writing and research class, which is experiential in that you are learning how to write like lawyers do and analyze like lawyers do, which are really critical skills. Then in your second year, you'll take our lawyering skills curriculum. There's a Lawyering Skills 1 and Lawyering Skills 2. In Lawyering Skills 1, you learn the processes and procedures that lawyers go through before a case actually goes to trial. Then in Lawyering Skills 2, you actually have a real case with simulated facts. You do a fact investigation and you prepare a case, and you and a partner will try that case in a simulated mock trial sort of setting in front of a judge and a jury and actually get a decision on your case. Then in our third year curriculum, you'll take either one of our clinics or our externship or our practicum programs. Those are all courses in which you represent real clients in real life situations who have actual real legal problems. Our clinics are where we bring clients into the law school. Our clinic is actually a small law firm within the law school. Our externship program and our practicum program are courses where we place students outside of the law school. So in the externship program, for example, we would place you with a judge or with a prosecuting attorney and do real legal work under the supervision of the attorneys or judges in those offices. At Bowen, we have 7 legal clinics within our overall legal clinic. We have a tax clinic. The tax clinic helps people who are in tax disputes with the Internal Revenue Service. Then we also have a family law clinic. In our family law clinic, we represent people who are trying to get a divorce, or who have a child custody issue, or perhaps need to establish a guardianship. Then we also have the Delta Divorce Clinic. In the Delta Clinic, students actually go down to the Delta in Southeast Arkansas, help underserved folks in the community there who need to obtain a divorce. We also have a mediation clinic. In the mediation clinic, students learn how to resolve disputes outside of going to court. The students primarily assist with mediations over special education issues. Our clinic instructor and the students can help the school district and the parents mediate that dispute over the services and try to come to a solution about the services that the child should receive. We also have a consumer protection clinic. That clinic covers any sort of consumer issue that someone might have. So say a tenant who is involved in a dispute with a landlord over rent. Another clinic that we have is our Business Innovation Clinic, and that is a transactional clinic. And what I mean by that is the students in that clinic don't go to court. They work with the instructor of that clinic to advise businesses on legal matters that the businesses might have. Also helping a nonprofit client complete the necessary legal forms and paperwork to actually get established as a nonprofit and receive their nonprofit tax exemption status. And then our Veterans Legal Services Clinic. In that clinic, we are going to represent members of the military who have disability appeals that they're filing in front of the Veterans Affairs Department, and will also represent veterans who want to appeal the status of their discharge from the military. I would just encourage students, as you're thinking about experiential learning opportunities here at Bowen, to plan ahead because some of our clinics have prerequisites. Some of the externships also have course requirements as well. Plan backwards from the externship or clinic that you want to take in your second and third year. This will be one of the final experiences that you have as a student here in Bowen, and it really gives you a chance to integrate everything that you've learned during your legal education.